Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna give you one tip before you throw in a brand new tube in there and before you waste your money by puncturing it. This is one of the tips that I like to do. So it works easier on a slightly bigger tire, but I'm gonna put this tube aside here. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna link in description all these tools that I have here. And this is what I like to do. I have one of these old, actually fairly newer, Black & Decker vacuum that I use for my car, for my tires, for my house, for everything. And look what's gonna happen now. I'm gonna turn this on and I'm gonna vacuum the inner part of my tire. However, before we go any further, I just wanna show you, this is the debris here. Now you see, this thing here is going to puncture your tire. So the best way to do this, I'm gonna try to open it with my fingers. And I'm gonna show you, if you do have a extension with the thinner hose, it's gonna work easier. But somehow when I go like this, now I'm gonna show you, the tire definitely becomes a lot cleaner. I like to make sure, I like to go this way, and then down at the bottom here, at the bottom, I vacuum again, so that I make sure that all that debris is gone from the tire. And again, I'm gonna link in the description these two. This is the procedure that I always do before you throw in a nice new expensive tube in there. And before you puncture it, you have that confidence that you have done the job properly and that you're good to go. And happy cycling and enjoy the hobby. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye-bye.